guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys the things inside my Kikay kit. This one is really important sa students, especially sa mga senior high school or college students, kasi dito natin nalalagay yung mga makeup, but not only makeup, even yung mga hand sanitizer, tissue. This one is just like a hygiene kit. So if you guys are interested to know the things inside my Kikay kit, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this one is my Kikay kit. Super cute ng color niya. I got this one from Bench and it says happy. Ayan, so kung napapansin nyo, medyo pang summer yung style niya. That is because I was supposed to film a summer essentials video, but I wasn't able to film, so I've decided na ito na lang yung gagamitin ko for my school Kikay kit. So nakalimutan ko na kung magkano to, pero check nyo na lang sa Bench. Open ko na siya and kukuha lang ako ng kahit ano makuha ko dito. So first I have here this comb. Madali ang film lang to guys kasi sobrang ingay sa labas. May gumagawa ng bahay and dito naman sa amin pinapaayos naman yung truck. So hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-film kasi napakaingay yung buong bahay namin. So, meron akong comb dito, and when you open this one, ayan, may mirror siya. And siguro kung napanood nyo na yung mga videos ko noon, especially yung mga back-to-school videos ko, what's in my backpack video, then for sure, nandun to. Kasi ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko and dinadala ko sa school. Kasi maliit nga lang siya, and kapag in-open mo, meron din siyang mirror. So, may comb ka na, may mirror ka pa. Next is this I White Korea BB Holic Everyday BB Cream in Beige. Kung nakita niyo yung school makeup routine ko, ito yung ginamit ko dun. And hindi na lang muna ako magdadala ng concealer kasi ito na yung pinakagusto kong gamitin. Next is this green tea and aloe hand sanitizer. Magdala kayo ng hand sanitizer or alcohol guys to keep your hands clean and sanitized. Then, nagdala din ako ng tissue. This one is from Watson's and nakalimutan ko na kung magkano to kasi nakaset siya. I think it's for 100 pesos yata, yung 10 na ganito. So, malit nga lang siya. So, kasyang-kasya siya dito or sa pocket nyo or kung saan nyo man nilalagay ito. Next is this Lip and Cheek Stay ng Skin Genie. Sobrang ganda ng shade niya, guys. And mabango siya. So, it's really important to bring with you a makeup bag or Kikay kit because this will help you organize the things inside your bag. And this will also separate yung mga makeup mo or yung mga hygiene from the other things inside your bag. Next is this Johnson's Baby Powder. Nagdadala talaga ako ng powder guys kasi nga sa school napakainit and mabilis tayong napapawisan. This one is not just for our face but for our body as well. So kapag nagpa-freshen up ako, gumagamit talaga ako ng powder. So yung dinadala ko lang is yung 50 grams para magkasya talaga siya dito. And ito din guys, this one is the Fresh Breath Spray na Spearmint. Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit wala akong toothpaste or toothbrush na dala, that is because hindi sila kasya dito guys. So, sa bag ko na lang sila ilalagay. Next is this nail cutter. Sigurado akong kakailanganin talaga natin to. Kasi may ibang school na bawal yung mga mahabang kuko. So, if ever nakalimutan yung mag-nail cutter the day or the night before school, then at least may dala tayong nail cutter sa Kikay kit natin. So, may dala din akong blush, guys. This one is the Sunny's Face Air Blush in Peached. Ito yung cheek tint nila kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko yung shade niya. Bago lang to sa akin. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Medyo hindi na siya kita kasi pinagpapawisan ako. Pero sobrang ganda ng shade niya. And kahit na may lip tint akong dala, lip and cheek tint akong dala, mas gusto ko pa rin ito. And ito nga pala guys, I forgot to tell you kung bakit gusto ko mag-BB cream na lang. Napaka-lightweight niya kasi sa face and hindi siya mainit and malagkit. So, sobrang gusto ko to. Next is this Careline Best Brow Liner. Ito yung ginamit ko ngayon. Actually, ito lang naman din kasi yung only brow product na ginagamit ko. And ayun, nilagay ko siya sa Kikay kit ko. And meron din akong extra hair tie kasi sa school palaging nawawala yung mga hair tie ko. So, at least meron akong extra kahit na alam kong mawawala din naman to. So, 4 na lang yung natira dito. I have here this mirror. It's really important to bring a mirror with you kasi minsan sa school, hindi na tayo nakakalabas sa classroom, hindi na tayo nakakapunta sa comfort room to check on ourselves. So, at least meron tayong mirror. And maliit lang siya guys, so it's not gonna take so much space inside. Then I have here this Perfume Diffuser, and inside this one is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. Yung mga perfume kasi guys, malaki yung lalagyan nila and naka-glass pa. So it's really important to transfer them sa smaller container or bumili na lang kayo nito. I think this one is called Perfume Diffuser. Gusto ko sana yung bench na cologne na lang kasi hindi pa ako nakabili. So dito ko na lang muna nilagay yung perfume ko. Next is this Watson's wet tissues na green tea scented. So meron siyang 10 wipes inside. So for the last thing inside my Kikay kit, this one is the facial powder paper. This one is not like the usual blotting paper kasi kapag nagbablot ka, it will also give you an instant retouch kasi naka-powder finish siya. So, ayun lang yung nasa loob ng school Kikay kit ko, guys. I hope na nabigyan ko kayo ng ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe and leave a comment down below suggesting any videos you want me to film soon. Till my next video, bye-bye!